Welcome to our channel. If you have incorrect charges on your phone bill, follow these step-by-step instructions to file a dispute and get charges corrected. Step 1. Review your bill carefully and identify all disputed charges. Note the specific amounts, dates, descriptions, and why you believe each charge is incorrect or unauthorized. Step 2. Gather supporting documentation including previous bills, promotional offers, contracts, and correspondence. Evidence strengthens your case when disputing charges with customer service. Step 3. Contact customer service immediately when you discover billing errors. Call during business hours and ask to speak with billing specialists who have authority to adjust charges. Step 4. Clearly explain each disputed charge and why it's incorrect. Reference promotional terms, contract agreements, or carrier errors that resulted in the wrong billing. Step 5. Request immediate credit or adjustment for disputed amounts. Ask for confirmation numbers and email documentation of all agreed upon corrections and credits. Step 6. Escalate to supervisors if initial representatives cannot resolve your dispute. Supervisors typically have more authority to issue credits and override system limitations. Step 7. File a formal complaint through your carrier's escalation process if phone support fails. Request to speak with their attention or executive response team for serious disputes. Step 8. Contact regulatory agencies like the FCC or your state's Public Utilities Commission if carriers refuse reasonable resolutions. File complaints online with detailed documentation of your dispute. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.